We want to find an estimate of the range for the grouped frequency distribution. The reason it's an estimate is, of course, that with a grouped frequency distribution we don't know the actual values. So what we do to get our estimate is we calculate the maximum possible range. We take the highest possible value, which is 70, and subtract from it the lowest possible value, which is 40. So our estimate of the range is 70 take away 40, which is 30. You may notice here that this says less than 70, not less than or equal to. But bear in mind that the height could be 69.99, so we just use 70.